this era where all fruits and vegetables stuck with pesticides. It's important to use healthy techniques to cook food so that more vitamins and nutrients are preserved. But how to do that? It's simple. Switch to earthen cookware. But are you thinking it's an old generation gadget? And you are not grandma to use it? But have you ever thought why our ancestors were using earthen cookware and not metals? Here are some benefits. Porous in nature. Clay pot's porous nature allows both moisture and heat to circulate through the food, which results in aromatic food. It also retains the nutrition of the food, which is generally lost in other types of utensils. Alkaline nature. Clay interacts with the acidity in the food, thereby neutralizing the pH balance and making food a lot tastier. It provides the required minerals including calcium, magnesium, iron, phosphorus and sulfur. Usage of oil. Due to its heat resistance, the food retains all its oils and moisture. Therefore, you wouldn't require extra oil and fat for providing moisture to your food. Ensures flavorful food. Due to slow cooking and earthy flavor added to it, making it flavorsome, which we bet you may not get in any other utensil. Easily available. No matter how modern times may be, we are sure there are shops that still sell pure and unglazed clay pots. Clay pots are not very expensive, at least not more than any other types of utensil. You can get them in different shapes and sizes without really making a hole in your pocket. Happy shopping! Next video. How to make clay pots ready to use. Will be launched soon. Keep watching us.